Wait! Please don't skip this video. I promise it will blow your mind. Today, I'm going to show you something extraordinary. Videos that are captivating and eye-catching. How about that? These videos are bizarre yet cute with a touch of horror. Each character is lifelike, the movements are fluid, and the scenes are adorable, exciting, and beautifully animated. Every video feels like a short horror comedy film. But guess what? These aren't made by a professional animation studio. They're created using 100% free AI tools. Now, go to YouTube and search for the channel called The Lovely Horror Show. This channel is anything but ordinary. Its content is not just simple, it's incredibly magical. Look at this channel. It has 9.83 million subscribers. But here's the crazy part. They've only uploaded 328 videos. This means almost every video is a hit. Viewers can't get enough of this content. It's trending, going viral, and unforgettable. Most importantly, the channel's annual revenue can reach up to $6.8 million. And these animations cost nothing to produce. You can make them using 100% free AI tools. I'll show you how. But first, I need your support. Please click the subscribe button on my channel. This helps us grow and lets me know you're looking forward to more exciting content. Let's move on to the next part, where I'll explain how this amazing video was made using AI tools accessible to anyone, even beginners. Step 1. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. Take a screenshot of the channel's image we just mentioned, and upload that screenshot to the ChatGPT chat box. Then type this magical phrase. Provide me a this type shorts maximum 10, make sure prompt look like more cute. Now wait a moment, and done, all your prompts are ready. ChatGPT understands your intent. In just 5 seconds, wow, you'll have 10 super cute, super creepy Pixar-style prompts. These are designed to turn AI art into HD animated shorts. Now copy the first prompt. Step 1 is complete. Let's move to the next step. Now open the Leonardo AI website. First, log in with your Gmail account. The process is incredibly simple. You won't believe it. Once logged in, you'll see you get 150 credits for free every day. Click on Text to Image, and the 3D image generator will be ready. Select the Pixar style to create 3D images with an animated feel. Now, paste the prompt generated by ChatGPT. Choose your aspect ratio. Select the one that fits best, square, portrait, or wide. Paste the first prompt from ChatGPT into the box and hit Generate. Wait a few seconds. Each image costs 39 credits, and each prompt can generate 4 beautiful images. Look! Pixar-style 3D, super cute, and very eye-catching. The hair, lighting, and poses look like they're straight out of an animated movie. Now, repeat this process with the next prompt. Paste, generate. Wait, and done. Keep going, again and again. This is where the real magic happens. Each scene looks like a cinematic poster. The lighting, character movement, and emotion are all there. Don't wait. Download all your animated images now. Just like that, your 3D Pixar-style images are complete, my friend. Let's move to the next step. We're getting closer to a complete animated story. Let's go! Step 3 is very important. Now it's time for the real magic. We're going to turn your stunning animated images into completely free AI videos. Go to the DreamVid AI website. Yes, this is a powerful free video creation tool. It can generate smooth, natural AI videos. On the left toolbar, you'll find many effects templates that can create amazing effects. Let's randomly click a few to check them out. Wow, the visuals are truly incredible. I have to say, DreamVid is such a fun tool. Now let's start the magic of turning images into animations. To generate unlimited AI videos for free using DreamVid AI, select the Image to Video feature on the homepage. Now upload the first 3D Pixar-style image generated from Leonardo AI. Then paste the prompt you used earlier into the box. Don't forget to select the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is suitable for YouTube. Now click Generate and wait a moment. Waiting. Yes, it takes a bit of patience, but then Wow, your AI-generated video scenes will be ready. Just look at them. Smooth character motion, cinematic camera angles, epic dark scenes, and high-resolution quality. This isn't just a slideshow, it's true animation magic. Oh my gosh, this tool is unbelievable. So engaging, and the quality is just wow. That's right, your first video is ready. Look, the dog character in the image is moving. The background is vibrant, looking just like a real Pixar movie scene. Now repeat this process. Upload your second image, add your prompt, set the duration, and generate again. Do the same for the third and fourth images, one by one. I'm so happy right now because this looks just like a movie. Now download each video one by one, saving them in order. Yes, we're ready to move to the final step. Alright, the last step. We've completed all the AI magic. Now it's time to bring it all together in a professional editing style. Come on! The final step is to put everything into the editing tool. Yes, this is the tool we'll use to finish the masterpiece. Add your videos one by one in the correct sequence. Arrange them carefully, just like a movie timeline. Make sure each scene flows naturally into the next. Now, do this. You can add some audio to enhance the overall visual effect and choose suitable background music. Finally, let's export the video and watch the finished product together. Wow, your final video is ready. Eye-catching visuals, 4K quality, and smooth horror-style animation. Wow, wow, wow. Dark horror animation, deep character movement, and an emotionally rich cinematic atmosphere. 4K quality, smooth and clear. This looks like a real horror trailer perfectly made for YouTube. Now click the link below the channel to use the corresponding free AI tool, DreamVid AI, and start your AI money-making journey. Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.